Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sensitive content setting on X. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So in the X application installed on our device, we won't find an option to turn off these settings because it doesn't exist in the application. So we will need to go to our browser and log into our account on x.com. When you logged into your account, here on the main page you need to click on your profile picture in the top left corner and you will see this menu. Scroll down to the end until you will find settings and privacy with a little gear icon. Click on it and now you will need to go to privacy and safety, this option right here. Just simply click on it. And then the third option here is content you see. So basically we can change what we see on the X, so click on it also. And here the first tick is called display media that may contain sensitive content. If we want to turn it on, we just simply click on it and now we will be able to see sensitive content on X. But moreover, if we go to source settings, here the last option, we can also show sensitive content on our search. So simply untick the first option right here, and basically that is it. That is how we can turn off sensitive content settings on X. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.